Good morning, all of you. In this video, we are going to discuss about hydrochloric acid, laboratory preparation of hydrochloric acid, and physical properties of hydrochloric acid. How hydrochloric acid is prepared in laboratory. Hydrochloric acid is prepared by the action of sodium chloride NaCl and concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4. The reaction involved in laboratory preparation is NaCl when treated with H2SO4 sulfuric acid. It gives hydrochloric acid HCl along with sodium bisulfate NaHSO4. If excess amount of NaCl is present in this mixture, that excess NaCl also undergo reaction with the sodium bisulfate formed, one of the product formed, and gives Na2SO4. Here also HCl formed. So in both reactions HCl is formed. So main reactants are sulfuric acid and sodium chloride. If sodium chloride is taken in excess, it also undergo reaction with the sodium bisulfate, again gives hydrochloric acid. More and more amount of hydrochloric acid is obtained in this reaction, and the trihydrochloric acid is obtained by passing the gas through concentrated sulfuric acid. We know corn sulfuric acid is a dehydrating agent. Corn sulfuric acid is used to remove water molecule. If hydrochloric acid containing moisture, that gaseous hydrochloric acid is passed through corn sulfuric acid, all the moistures are removed and trihydrochloric acid is obtained. Now we are going to see how actually this reaction takes place. After that, we will discuss about the physical properties of hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid, laboratory preparation of hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is prepared by treating sodium chloride. Sodium chloride NaCl, Na monopositive Cl minus 1, when treated with sulfuric acid H2SO4. The first compound is a very known compound, sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. It is an example of ionic chloride. Ionic chloride. When treated with the sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid H2SO4 undergo two types of ionization. One is H plus and HSO4 minus. This is where sulfuric acid H plus and HSO4 minus. Now we know a plus ion always combine with the minus ion. H plus combine with the Cl minus. H plus combine with the Cl minus. Form HCl. Now hydrochloric acid is prepared in this reaction along with HCl along with Na plus now combine with the HSO4 minus. Na plus combined with the HSO4 minus gives NaHSO4. First compound name we know, second compound name is sodium bisulfate. Sodium bisulfate. Sodium bisulfate. This is one of the method of preparation of hydrochloric acid. And the second method, the sodium bisulfate formed in this reaction, in the first reaction, NaHSO4, again when treated with excess amount of NaCl. Charge on NaCl, we know sodium is monopositive and chlorine is -1. The same H plus from sodium bisulfite combine with the Cl minus and form HCl. One more compound, a well-known compound, is also formed. Preparation of hydrochloric acid plus 2 sodium and 1 SO4. Sodium is a monopositive, sulfate is a 2 minus ion, Na2SO4, sodium sulfate. How to write the molecular formula? Na, sodium, SO4, sodium monopositive, sulfate is an 2 minus acid radical. When we write in class, that 2 is here, this 1 is there. That is sodium sulfate. Equation is already balanced. So these two methods are used to prepare hydrochloric acid. Used to prepare hydrochloric acid. So this is the method used in the preparation of laboratory preparation of hydrochloric acid. When we study the properties, physical properties of hydrochloric acid, remember that how HCl acts as an acid. According to Lewis concept, an acid is one which donates a pair of electron. According to Arrhenius concept, an acid is one which on ionization produce H plus ion, and according to Lowry-Cranstad concept, an acid is one which donate a proton, and a base is one which accept a proton. Therefore, that Lowry-Cranstad concept is also called a protonic concept. Properties of hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is an acid which is confirmed by this reaction. HCl, hydrochloric acid, when added to water, H2O, oxygen has 2 pair of electron on it. Hydrochloric acid on ionization undergo ionization gives H plus and Cl minus ion. When this H plus ion moves towards oxygen of water, oxygen donate a pair of electron, thereby HCl becomes Cl minus ion plus H plus is added to water molecule and it becomes H3O plus ion. What is H3O plus? It is called hydronium ion. Hydronium ion, H3O plus ion, is also called protonated water. proton H plus is added to water. Therefore, it is also called protonated water, H3O plus ion. So, according to Lowry-Cranstad, an acid is one which donate a proton and a base is one which accept a proton. Properties of hydrochloric acid. Hydrogen chloride is a colorless Bunsen-Summerling gas easily liquefied to a colorless liquid. The boiling point of liquid hydrogen chloride is 189 Kelvin and frozen into white crystalline solid. The melting point of solid hydrochloric acid or hydrogen chloride is 159 Kelvin. It is extremely soluble in water. So, hydrochloric acid is a colorless. There is no specific color for hydrochloric acid. The smell of hydrochloric acid is Bunsen-Summerling gas and easily liquefiable. Hydrogen chloride is formed in the gaseous state, which is undergo condensation gives colorless liquid. The boiling point of the liquid is 189 Kelvin and frozen into a white crystalline solid. Melting point 159 Kelvin. It is extremely soluble in water, completely soluble in water. When added to water, which reaction takes place? HCl, when added to water, it donates a proton to water molecule. Therefore, HCl is called Lowry-Cranstad acid. Water molecule accepts a proton. Therefore, it is called Lowry-Cranstad base. And after donating a proton, Cl minus is obtained, a new positive ion is also obtained. This is called hydronium ion, H3O plus ion. This H3O plus ion is also called protonated water. Protonated water. In the reverse reaction, actually this is equilibrium reaction. In the reverse reaction, Cl minus accept a proton. Therefore, this is called Lowry-Cranstad base and this is acid. So, under ionic equilibrium, we called it as conjugate acid and conjugate base. This is conjugate base. This is called conjugate acid. In ionic equilibrium, an acid, base, conjugate base and conjugate acid. Thank you for watching this video. Still, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.